Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019, and in this video we're going to learn how to use the extend command, and you can find it right here by clicking on this little arrow. Then there it is, the extend command. Now as usual, there are several ways to access this command. Simply by clicking on the icon on the home panel on the ribbon, or just by going to view, then the tool palettes, then you click on modify and you can find it right here, or you can simply type in it on the screen as we learned in the last videos. Now I'm going to go over and draw something simple, a circle and a simple line just like that. Now the idea of the extend command, simply extending an object to reach another object. Now if you click on the extend command, he's going to ask you to select the objects that you want to extend. I'm going to select all the objects, then click enter. Then by clicking on the object that you want to extend, he's going to extend it to the other object. Then click enter. Then as you see, the line was extended to the other object, to the circle. Now that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.